Hi everyone! Today on Cooking Up Love, I am sharing our recipe for buffalo chicken chili. This is an easy one-pot meal that's hearty and it really fills you up, and I love that you can make it as spicy as you want it. Add your favorite toppings, and it's also a delicious white chicken chili without the hot sauce. This white bean buffalo chicken chili is one of our favorite game day snacks, and it is such a tasty way to warm up on a cold day. Let me show you how we make this. You'll need Frank's RedHot wing sauce for that amazing buffalo wing flavor, about a pound of chicken, a can of fire roasted tomatoes, 2 cans of Great Northern white beans, a half of a large onion, about a half cup of chopped celery and more for serving. For the spices, we've got ground black pepper, kosher salt, garlic powder, ground cumin, and chili powder. And you'll need 3 cups of chicken broth, and this is optional for a more red chili tomato puree. I've listed everything you'll need and the recipe in the description box below. First, I'm going to get the chicken ready. You're going to need about a pound to a pound and a half of chicken, and you can use chicken tenders, chicken breasts, chicken thighs, whatever you have on hand for this recipe. Today I've got about a pound of chicken tenders, and I'm cutting these into chunks about a ½ inch in size. On the chicken tenders, I like to remove the tendons and the tenderloins, and it's really easy just to pull and trim them off. Oh, and if this is your first time at our channel, welcome. And if you're a regular, I'm so glad you're here. We're making easy and delicious recipes that are perfect for sharing with everyone you love. Join us every week when we share new recipes, and if you hit the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. Okay, now that the chicken is cut and ready, I'm going to season it with some kosher salt and ground black pepper. Put about a tablespoon of avocado oil in a large heavy-bottom pot or Dutch oven, and heat this over medium heat. When it's hot, add the chicken, stir, and cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring it around a bit. Okay, while I've got the chicken cooking, I'm going to get the vegetables ready. Dice up about a half of a large onion or 1 medium onion. And I'll usually use sweet onions for most of my recipes because the flavor is less biting, less harsh, and I find that they're less likely to make my eyes tear up when I'm cutting them. Next, I'm going to chop up the celery. We'll need about a ½ cup of the celery ribs chopped up for the chili, and add more if you really love celery. I'm also going to chop up some more and serve it on the side so that we can use it as one of the toppings. Add the onion and the celery to the chicken and cook this for about 5 minutes, just until the vegetables begin to soften. Next, it's time for the spices for this chicken chili. Add a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I'm using the Morton & Bassett chili powder blend. I really like the flavor of this blend. It's got great flavor, but it's not overly spicy. And feel free to use your favorite here. Give the mixture a stir and let this cook for a minute or 2 to toast the spices a bit. Then add 3 cups of chicken broth, and 1 can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, and I've drained the juice out of the tomatoes. Next, drain the 2 cans of white northern beans and rinse the beans really well to wash off all of the extra starch. And then add the beans to the pot and stir them into the chili. Isn't this looking good? If you stop here, you've got a delicious white bean chicken chili. And now I'm going to add that buffalo flavor. I've got about a ½ cup of the Frank's RedHot wing sauce, and I'm going to stir in about a half of that, so about 1/4 cup. And feel free to personalize this based on how spicy you like your buffalo chicken. Give it a stir, and then simmer this uncovered for 20 to 30 minutes, and this will let the spices all meld together and the chicken will get nice and tender. This buffalo chicken chili is packed with flavor, and it's ready in less than an hour. It's perfect for game day or potlucks, and I love to keep it warm in a crock pot. And we like to serve it in a bowl over potatoes, rice, and this is so good spooned over some creamy homemade mac and cheese. Add your favorite toppings. If you like, you can add sour cream, chopped celery, shredded carrots, some blue cheese crumbles. I also like to drizzle some more hot sauce on top because I can never have enough spice. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our buffalo chicken chili recipe, and if you did, hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And if you're looking for more easy and delicious food, check out this playlist I put together for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.